campsite where just real webs are used. We spend days the way ducks oughta, eating bread thrown on the water in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and up and ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with the gobble, watch her legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving gives her cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the small. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our junkyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Chicks are mollycoddled, or the cats would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers barely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a